Yeah. You know what it is. Green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow. 10 hours later. And she's heading right after my earrings, so we better get started! Hi everyone and welcome back to Willy and Olia's channel. We are going to talk about Kiwi's cage. I have to actually confess to you guys because I have been trying to record this video for almost 2 months, but there was always a new subject or new event that popped up and I had to do a vlog about that. Not had to, but chose to. So today I chose to make a vlog about her cage. So very first cage that we got for Kiwi was a smaller size cage we got from Petland. So imagine when she spreads both of her wings, she needs to have enough space to the sides and above her. So for that reason, after watching her grow so fast and be so energetic around the cage, we went on Amazon to get a larger one. Pretty. I did my nails just to match my bird. I like it. Cushy, cushy, cushy. Assembling of the cage was pretty easy as my husband was a part of engineering battalion. He's pretty handy and was able to assemble the cage with no issues. He did this for me while I was recording the footage. New house in making. How excited are you, birdie? Do you even understand the awesomeness?
We're gonna increase your rent.
We kind of did a theme, like she's a new homeowner and she just purchased new house. 3, 2, 1.
Snip.
Woohoo! So exciting! And enter. Wow! I'm going to put her on the bridge because she's more used to it. And she's inside!
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
Yay, Kiwi, yay! Underneath the main part of the cage you will find a storage unit. That's where I keep all of the food of hers, snacks and treats. I decided to place it in a nice box so it all looks nice, clean and neat at all time. This is not a sponsored content. We were not paid to anything to talk about this cage. This is just a cage that I chose to purchase for my bird. I just purchased this cage off of Amazon and am pretty satisfied with it and decided to show you our experience with it so far. So I will include the links below if you are interested in looking into the same type of cage. I hope you will find what you are looking for. I will say that medium to large size cage is worth investing in because, as I mentioned at the beginning of our video, we started with a smaller cage without being really advised properly. We were told, oh yeah, this will do. We realized that this is way too small for our bird. What up? What up? We did decide to keep that cage at the end of the day because that will be a perfect sized cage that's easy to place into the car when we are going to a vet appointment or traveling not too far away. checking out. If you are new to our channel, I do invite you to like and subscribe for more. It means a lot when you do. Bye!